Alright, cheesy lovers, today we are breaking down one of the biggest culinary rivalries in the Italian cuisine. Parmigiano Reggiano versus Pecorino Romano. These two hard cheeses might look similar at first glance, but they're worlds apart in flavor, texture and history. So grab a grater because it's time to dig into the details. The basic milk matters. Parmigiano Reggiano is made from cow's milk aged for at least 12 months. This gives it a smooth, nutty profile that's a little more mellow. Pecorino Romano, on the other hand, is made from sheep's milk, usually aged 8 to 12 months, which gives it a sharper, saltier kick. Picture a cheese with a bit more attitude. Taste test. What a flavor difference. Parmigiano Reggiano has a rich, nutty flavor with subtle fruity notes and a hint of caramel. It's the nice guy of cheeses, bold but balanced. Great for grating, but equally tastes on its own in little chunks. Pecorino Romano, on the other hand, is the rebellious cousin, with a sharper, saltier profile and a bit more bite. It's ideal for dishes that need a little kick. If Parmigiano is a smooth jazz solo, Pecorino is the rock anthem. Texture talk. How do they crumble? Pecorino Romano is also crumbly, but it's a bit harder and grates into smaller, sharper flakes. It packs a punch even in small amounts. Parmigiano Reggiano has a crumbly, grainy texture that chaves and grates easily, perfect for that snowy pasta look. When to use which? Parmigiano Reggiano is the go-to for risottos, soups, salads and classic pasta dishes. It melts smoothly into sauce and adds that umami finish. Pecorino Romano shines in robust pasta dishes like cacio e pepe and carbonara. Its saltiness cuts through the richness of creamy sauce and pairs perfectly with black pepper for that traditional Italian kick. A little cheesy history, there is also difference. Parmigiano Reggiano dates back to the Middle Ages, crafted by monks in Emilia-Romagna. It's been protected by Italian law, so only cheese from specific regions can be labeled as the real deal. Talk about VIP treatment. Pecorino Romano is even older. Trekking back to ancient Rome, Roman soldiers took it on campaigns for a quick salty snack because who doesn't want a little sheep's milk power boost in a battle? So which cheese wins? Well, it depends on the dish and your taste. Parmigiano Reggiano is perfect when you want a smooth nutty richness. Pecorino Romano is ideal for bold, salty flavor with a bit of edge. Want more tasty battles like this one? Hit subscribe and like for all the delicious details you didn't know you needed. Because let's face it, your kitchen deserves a touch of Italy's best. Ciao amici!